Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make bhajia. So in this recipe, I'll require 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. I have salt to taste. We have finely chopped onions. I used 1 large onion, a handful of coriander leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves. I have 2 eggs. I love eggs. This is very optional. You can opt to use eggs or not, but me, I love eggs. I love the taste of eggs in bhajia, so yes, I'm going to use eggs. Next, we have about 4 cups of all-purpose wheat flour. Then with me, I have potatoes, about 1 kg. Hizi waru zilikuwa 120. Nashuku niligongwa. We are going to slice them thinly. That's what we have for the bhajia. To make sure everything is mixed together nicely, you'll need water for this recipe. So I'll start off by slicing the potatoes into thin slices. Yes, thin slices that will cook evenly. So let's jump straight into that. Then I'll show you how I mix the other ingredients. So this is the size I was aiming for. It is not too thick, it is not too thin, it is evenly sliced. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, starting with the all-purpose flour. Then next, I'm going to add the paprika. Then we have the turmeric powder. This is just to give it the color. You know the yellow color ya bhajia? Inatoka kwa turmeric. If you have food color, you can use food color. I don't like food color, so I'm going to use turmeric. Next, I'm just going to mix everything together to make sure everything is nicely incorporated into the flour. Next, I'm going to add in the coriander, the freshly chopped coriander leaves, dhania. Then onions. Yeah, this bhajia is going to slap. I can already tell it's going to be a good one, I'm just going to make sure I mix everything together. All these are optional. You can opt not to put dhania, you can opt not to put onions, you can use food color, yellow food color. If you don't like turmeric, you have options. Next, I'm just going to pour in water. Just make sure you don't pour excess water because you don't want your paste to be so runny, your batter to be so runny. You don't want it to be too thick as well. You want it to be moderate. So we are going to stir to make sure we get a good batter or paste. So at this point, I'm going to add our eggs. Don't forget I used egg in this recipe. Egg is so optional. You can use it or you cannot use it. So me, I love eggs. I'm going to use eggs. I think this is a good one. So the butter also depends with your preference. You can make it light, or you can make it thick, or you can make it medium. You don't have to make it thick because mine is thick, but I love mine thick because the coating is going to look nice, yummy and fluffier. So that's why I like mine a bit thicker. So yeah, so once the mixture is nice and thick, we are going to take the potato slices and dip them in the paste to coat the potatoes with the butter. Put too much or too many at once because they'll stick together, and we are avoiding that. That's why I'm putting bit by bit. So at this point, you can choose to use your fingers to coat the potatoes with the butter, or you can use a spoon. I prefer using a spoon because using my hand can get so messy, and I don't want to make everything dirty in the kitchen. So I'll just use a spoon to coat the potatoes with the butter. So this is what you should have. This is what we are going to dip in the hot oil, not actually hot, medium hot. So yeah, that's what we are going to have. Once the oil is ready, you are just going to dip the potatoes one by one. I'm dipping them one by one to avoid them sticking together. Lakini ukiwa na haraka unaweza weka tu mingi ndio ziive haraka. You want to make sure the bhajias are cooked on both sides. So you can do 5 to 7 minutes, then you turn the other side until you get the desired color that you want. At this point, the bhajias are ready to remove. So we are just going to remove them and put the next batch. Let them cool and serve with your preferred sauce. Me, I used hot and sweet sauce and choma sauce. It was so yummy. I hope you try this. Let me know how yours turn out in the comment section. Kindly make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. You can see the bhajias turned out so good. They were so yummy. I loved them. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you tried this recipe out, kindly share your outcome on the comment section below. Until next time, bye.